For the dictation, start. The role of public administration in a democratic society is not merely to enforce laws but to ensure that justice is delivered fairly and efficiently. Full stop. In recent years, several committees, including those headed by retired judges, have observed that procedural delays, excessive documentation, and lack of accountability weaken the credibility of institutions. Full stop. For instance, when a citizen files an application under the Right to Information Act, he expects a timely response. However, officials often cite technical grounds or misinterpret provisions, thereby defeating the purpose of the legislation. Full stop. Such conduct raises an important question whether administrative discretion is being exercised responsibly. Full stop. Legal experts argue that adherence to principle of natural justice, namely odi altrum patrum and nemo judex in cosa sua, must be ensured at every stage of decision making. Full stop. If a department issues a notice, it should clearly state the grounds and provide adequate opportunity for the representation. Full stop. Failure to do so may render the action arbitrary and liable to be set aside by a court of law. Full stop. Furthermore, editorial commentary in leading newspapers has repeatedly emphasized that transparency is not an option, it is an obligation. Full stop. Consequently, training programs for stenographers and clerical staff should focus on accuracy, punctuation, and proper capitalization because even a minor error in drafting can alter the meaning of an official communication. Full stop. Consider the difference between the phrases let's proceed and let's not proceed. The absence of an apostrophe changes clarity and may create confusion. Full stop. Similarly, the placement of commas in legal sentences determines whether a clause is restrictive or descriptive, which in turn affects interpretation. Full stop. Therefore, candidates preparing for competitive examinations such as the HSSC English stenography test must practice diligently. Full stop. They should read complex passages, transcribe dictations, and review their work critically. Full stop. In addition, they must familiarize themselves with commonly used legal and administrative terminology, including works like affidavit, jurisdiction, compliance, and notification. Full stop. It is equally essential to maintain consistency in the use of capital letters, especially in proper nouns, officially designations, and statutory references. Full stop. A well-prepared candidate not only writes correctly but also understands the context, thereby reducing errors during dictation. Full stop. Ultimately, success in the examination depends on discipline, regular practice, and attention to detail. Full stop. In these elements are combined with a clear understanding of grammar and syntax, aspirants will be able to handle even the most challenging passages with confidence and precision, thus achieving their goal of securing a position in the service and contributing effectively to public administration and governance in a responsible manner which reflects integrity, efficiency, and commitment towards the rule of law and the welfare of society as a whole without any bias or negligence in duty ensuring that every action taken is lawful, reasonable, and justified under the applicable provisions of law and administrative guidelines, thereby strengthening trust between citizens and the government authorities at all levels of functioning across departments and institutions in the country. at large, promoting transparency, accountability, and efficiency in governance systems everywhere, consistently and effectively for future development and stability. Full stop overall.